Authorities in occupied Kashmir have put senior leader of the All-Party Hurriyat Conference Mirwaiz Umar Farooq under house arrest at his residence today. According to Kashmir Media Service, Anjuman Awqaf, in a statement issued in Srinagar strongly denouncing the repeated house arrest of Mirwaiz, said that he was put under house detention to prevent him from visiting Srinagar Jamia Masjid and participating in the Friday prayers. All parties Hurriyat Conference leaders have paid glowing tributes to the noted son of the Kashmiri soil, Muhammad Afzal Guru, on his 11th martyrdom anniversary today. According to Kashmir Media Service, India had hanged Muhammad Afzal Guru in New Delhi's Tihar jail on this day in 2013 and sent the prominent liberation leader Muhammad Maqbool Butt to the gallows in the same jail on 11 February 1984. Their bodies were buried in the premises of the jail. All Parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter, paying tributes to the prominent Kashmiri liberation leader Muhammad Afzal Guru and other martyrs, said that the Kashmiris were rendering unparalleled sacrifices for their right to self-determination. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC convener Mahmood Ahmad Sagar, in a statement in Islamabad, reaffirmed the Kashmiris' resolve to continue their struggle till the completion of the great mission of Muhammad Afzal Guru and Muhammad Maqbool Butt and the lakhs of other martyrs. National Conference Vice President Umar Abdullah has raised serious concerns regarding the controversial census by the police in the occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, the Indian police have launched comprehensive census to collect the personal data, including details of the foreign visits from the residents of the occupied Kashmir. A rally was organized today in Muzaffarabad under the auspices of Pasbane Hurriyat Jammu and Kashmir to pay tributes to Shaheed Muhammad Afzal Guru and Shaheed Muhammad Maqbool Butt on their martyrdom anniversaries. According to Kashmir Media Service, large number of the people gathered at Shaheed Afzal Guru Chowk in Muzaffarabad and marched on the Srinagar highway. They raised slogans against India and in favor of the freedom.